friends, welcome to another beautiful episode of Our Circle of Life. So, today I am taking you guys to a home tour, actually, a model home tour that is situated in Lutz area in Florida. As you can see, it's a beautiful model home that is built by Lena Homes, and today I got a chance to see two of their homes. So, when I entered the first model home, this is what I'm seeing. It's a beautiful foyer or a walkway area, and on your right side you can see the formal dining room, a small hutch area, and also there is another office room space next to the dining room. So you can see the dining room is beautifully decorated. It looks like a farmhouse theme with you can see the ceilings are different. When you go to a model home, they look so appealing and beautiful. You even if you don't have the idea to buy a home, you will just fall into that because the house always looks so appealing. So again, this dining room is painted in off-white color, and onto the opposite side you can see a nice walkway with one bathroom. The bathroom looks like a powder bathroom because there is no shower area, so it's a power bathroom. And you can see some small cabinet area for extra space, and also a laundry area for washer and dryer, and it's a good space to fold the clothes and all. So we are walking back, and next to the dining room you can see a office space. There's a beautifully decorated office space next to the windows, so you get a good view of outside. There's a sitting area, and it's very minimal furniture, but it looks beautiful, right? Now you're walking towards the family room. You can see the stairs on your left side, and then we are entering into the family come kitchen area. The kitchen is on your right side, and the cozy and beautiful family space on your left side. Kitchen is so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so huge with the breakfast area. Usually the breakfast area will be small, but this house has a huge kitchen. You can see beautiful island, lot of cabinets, like high ceiling cabinets, nice gourmet kitchen area. The space is amazing. It's a beautiful place, and also you can see the outside view from the kitchen or the breakfast area. So the kitchen looks again, I always, every time I go to a house, the first thing I notice is the kitchen, because I love cooking and I always make sure the pantry is huge. I mean, not huge, but it has at least ample amount of space for my stuff, and the kitchen, at least few people can stand and cook, because we always love to party and we will always have a lot of people in our kitchen space. So you can see this is a beautiful kitchen, lot of space to move around, and they have a double oven, and pretty much you are going to fall in love with this kitchen. So opposite to the kitchen, you can see a nice cozy space. This is called the family room. Again, in US, family room is considered as a very important place in a house, because it's the place where people are gathering. All the family members come together, watch TV, have discussion. So again, you can see it's a beautiful, well-furnished family room with a lot of windows, sunlight, and a great view to the outside pool. For this model, you can see both the kitchen and the family room comes like a big open space, which is good because it shows it looks very big. And next to the family room, you can see the master bedroom. So master bedroom is downstairs. A huge master bedroom, right? The bed, there's a king size bed. Even if you have the king size bed, you see a lot of space. Again, beautiful view to the outdoor pool and the conservation area beyond. The ceilings are all well decorated. it has the crown molding, so you can see all the crown moldings on the ceilings. And then, there's also a side door that goes into the pool. Now we are getting into the master bathroom. Oh my god, master bathroom looks like uh, out of this world. You have the nice bathtub on one side with vanity. I think there is his and her vanity, and it's the parking lot you can see from the bathtub now, because it's a model home. And then there is this separate shower area. Oh my god, this shower area is so huge. You can sit and take a bath, you can stand and take a bath, you can party there. It's so big. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's the best, one of the best bathroom I have ever seen. Very nice space. Oh, there's two vanity. The one vanity is longer, and then there is the separate toilet area, and there's the separate toilet area. So in homes in America, there's always the toilet will be a small area, and you can see a nice closed space, his and hers closet together. Very beautiful, well organized. I mean, they build it for showing to people, but obviously, but it looks so nice. Nice to have a bathroom like this. Now I'm going upstairs. Upstairs they have few rooms too, and there is a big loft room. So when you are getting upstairs, the first thing you are seeing is the loft room or the play area. Like if we have kids, we call it like a play area, but if we have adults, it's nice pool table or a bar area, or like a man cave, you can call anything. So this looks really good. They put a nice pool table and TV and some islands and bar stools. Very good space for partying, especially when you have a party and all the guys can go upstairs and play pool game, and do some dart games and stuff like that. It's very, most of the spaces are well utilized, I should say. As soon as you enter upstairs, that space is already occupied. Now next to it, you can see a kids room, and kids room, this is a very cute looking kids room. It looks like a camping area, I guess. It's very beautiful. Well enough space for a kid, and they have the closet for the clothes, and I think the bathroom is his and hers. I don't know, I have to check it out, but very nice bedroom for kids. Now you can see the other bedroom. So these two bedrooms are connected with a common bathroom, and we call this bathroom as Jack and Jill bathroom. So Jack and Jill bathroom will be shared by two occupants of two different bedrooms, and usually it will be kids room. Both, if there is a boy and a girl, they share the same bathroom, and that's called Jack and Jill bathroom. So this is again, it looks like another boy room. I think they decorated as a boy room with a lot of bike and this theme. So you can decorate the homes in different themes, and it's a pretty cool theme. I never saw this kind of theme. And they have wall ceilings, not wall ceilings, they have wood rails on the ceilings as well as the wall, which gives a very additional touch. See the wood rails, those are wood rails. Actually, I like it. I'm going to steal that idea. And even the mirrors look very beautiful, right? Round mirrors gives a very nice, elegant touch to the bedroom. Next, we are entering the guest bedroom. Guest bedroom is also upstairs. It's very good, very spacious room. It's like light and bright and sunny, and the spaces are well utilized, and this is the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is pretty large too. I really like the large tub area and shower area. It's really cool. And then they have two separate sinks, which is pretty unusual for a guest bedroom. But again, this house is so huge and they don't probably mind putting two vanities for a guest bedroom. Throughout the house, you can see the wooden rails on the either on the walls or the ceilings. It adds a very cool touch to the house. Next is again another room. I don't know if it is a guest bedroom or a common room. So this is again another bedroom, and I believe there are 5 bedrooms in the house, right? So this is the best part of the house, I should say. This is a huge hall upstairs. As you can see, there's a TV and couch. You can pretty much watch TV here. It's like a totally additional space upstairs, in addition to the play area or the pool table that we saw. So this feature is not common in any homes in America. This gives more square feet, but it's totally a very good add-on to any kind of house. So you can party whenever you have party, you can go, few people can go upstairs, a few people can stay downstairs. And the best thing is coming. Wait, one of the most favorite part, and which I really miss in America, is this outside balcony. You never see a balcony in most of the American homes because usually there won't be any outside area other than the down lanai area. So this is like, oh my goodness, this is breathtaking. You never get a balcony like this. Very good space. You can sit and watch the beautiful view outside. Look at this conservation and the lake and the pool. Oh, this is like totally heaven. I really, really love this house for this particular reason, the balcony and the amazing view outside. Now we can take a look at the outside pool area and the conservation. We already saw this from the balcony, right? It's so beautiful, but we can, take a look tour. And the pool you see is a square size pool. It's a new style with a hot tub. The hot tub looks pretty big with chairs and outdoor sitting area. Usually, most of the Florida homes will have an outdoor pool, especially in Florida, with the heat and everything. But this pool is definitely one of a kind. It's very huge, lot of space. There's an outdoor kitchen you can see on the other side. There are 2 chairs, like it looks like a beach theme to bring those chairs into the pool. It's very cool model. And now you can see the sitting area and the outdoor kitchen and a little dining area. So beautiful, right? I mean, this is like one of my dream kitchen and dream backyard, I should say, with a nice grill, and your husband can do some grilling in the evening. You can sit there and enjoy this beautiful view. Oh my god, so heavenly. But again, this is a model home and this won't be in market until all the homes are sold. So they keep these 2 model homes for people to come and take a look, and they won't sell this until they're done with the entire community. So if you are ever planning to buy a model home, you need to wait until all the houses are sold. I hope everybody enjoyed this episode of my model home tour. This is again a 4,500 square feet home with 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a den upstairs, play area, office room downstairs. Is a beautiful home. Anybody will fall in love with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed the tour with me, and keep watching and liking my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next episode of Circle of Life, bye bye.